Hello, I'm Shadi Agbola, Director of Public Health for Warwickshire. The rules have changed again. Our children have gone back to school and we're about to welcome students from around the country to our universities and colleges. I know this might feel like a worrying time as we move on to a new chapter, but I want to reassure you that we are continuing to do everything we can to keep you as safe as possible. Some of you will have experienced delays in being able to get tested, and whilst this is frustrating, you are doing the right thing by staying at home and isolating if you have any symptoms. That is a raised temperature, a new continuous cough, or a change or loss of senses of taste or smell. New testing slots are being released twice daily, so please continue to try and get a test if you have any symptoms. However, please do not try to book a test if you do not have any symptoms. As children have gone back to school, we have seen class bubbles or groups being sent home. This can be frustrating, especially if your child seems perfectly well, but it is the right thing to do to protect as many people as possible. Your child will need to stay at home for 14 days if they have come into close contact with somebody who has tested positive for coronavirus. Our schools are doing a great job of keeping children and staff as safe as they possibly can, and in asking children to self-isolate, they are helping to control the virus. We are still in a pandemic. We all need to work together to fight this and do the right thing for Warwickshire. This week, we have seen the introduction of the new rule of 6. In essence, it means that social gatherings of more than 6 people, with some exceptions, are not allowed. We are working closely with our colleagues across the county, in districts, boroughs, health and the police, and coming up now is a message from one of our police colleagues. Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon. I'm Alex Franklin Smith, one of the Assistant Chief Constables here with Warwickshire Police. This message is about what Warwickshire Police are doing to tackle COVID-19, working very closely with our partners across the county in order to keep as many people safe as possible. So, as of Monday this week, as many will know, the legislation and regulations changed, which now means that it is now unlawful for gatherings of more than 6 in any place and people of any ages to gather socially. The reason for that change is in order to try and slow the transmission of the virus and to keep as many people safe across the county as possible. We would encourage, where there are reported breaches, for those to be reported to the force, to be reported via our website, and our officers will assess those incidents, and where there is a clear and blatant breach of those regulations, our officers will deploy to deal with those incidents. Firstly, we'll be seeking to engage and explain and encourage those individuals involved to comply with the rules and to disperse, but if individuals do not comply, we will not be slow in dispersing those groups and issuing fines in accordance with the regulations. So I'd really like to reach out to our communities, encourage everyone to play their part in this pandemic and help Warwickshire Police, together with our partners and our communities, to keep as many people safe as possible. Thank you.